Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to do 2D animations. So here it's you have to do first download the pencil software. I think that's the best software for the beginners. For doing that you have to first go to search pencil 2D, and now we have to go to the second option, that's Softonic. So after doing Softonic, after clicking on the pencil downloads in Softonic, you have to click on the free download option that's available there. So just have a click on it, free download option. It's completely free and I have downloaded it on my computer. So when you open the dialog box, it looks like this, that's a paint dialog box. So and there are many options, like there is a toolbar, and there are many options like pencil, brush, rubber, and you can do whatever and now there is a coloring options which you can found in the downward bottom, as you can see. And so there are many colors too which you can choose to make it a good frame. So let's start it today. And I have first going to show you what I have made, and by clicking on the play options, here is a boy that, and he is in front of the football. So he's going to play it like as you are showing here. Now if you want to make it similar, let's give it a try. I think it's the best software for beginners for the practice, so that you can add it for advanced things. Now you have to click on the file, new, and okay, now we have cleared the new box and dialog box will appear like this. Now you have to oh sorry, just wait a minute. It's there we are. We have to click on the ink button. Now let's try to draw a figure. It may not be perfect, but you have to draw it a figure. And let's draw a figure of a boy. So we have drawn a figure of the boy. Okay, now it's okay. Now the main thing you have to do is you have to make frequent frames. So you can find it in the keys button, that is there in the downward portion. We have to add a key there so that you can make the next frame. So let's give it a try. As you can see, I may not have a perfect judgment how to do it, but you can give it a good try. So let's click on that button, and after clicking on the button you can see that it goes to the second frame. So you make it a second frame, and now you redraw it. That will come next what you want to do. So let's see what we want to do. We will draw a ball and a boy that's coming close to the ball. So let's first draw the picture of the boy who has moved forward now. So here we go. So you can see a ball that's falling from the sky, I mean falling from above. Now you have to make the third frame, that's ball is falling and the boy is coming nearer. So let's make it. And now I have to kick it. So in the next frame we will make it a click, and okay, now make it a click. This will be the last frame, I think. So you have to do it and make that proper. So here we go. Okay, now basically you have created the frames. So we'll now play it on the button. That's over there. That's on the loop button, and then the play button. Here is the loop and play button. Now play it. So it will look like that. It's the ball is falling and the boy is kicking the ball. So it's just a simple animation, but it's good to see how to make that possible, and I know you will further do it great. And so if you like it, just give it a thumbs up. I will give you more animations and show how to do the basics. So keep liking. And now if you want to fix the speed of it, so you have to click there 4 5. It means it's going fast, and you can adjust it very nicely. So it's basically good software for making it good try. Now we will save it on the file option there and make it a save option. Just file menu and save it. If you like it, please subscribe here. And I know that it's not so great, but I will make it better next time. So just make it a save button. Click on the save button, click there yes, and it's done. Okay, thank you guys, thank you very much. Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to do 2D animations. So here it's you have to do first download the pencil software. I think that's the best software for the beginners. For doing that, you have to first go to search pencil 2D, and now